In this video, I'll demonstrate a new method for earning free PayPal money through the year 2023 by paying you $500 every day to watch YouTube videos. How does it function? We'll soon find out. Additionally, if you watch this video until the conclusion, I'll show you how to set it up for free. By doing this, you'll be able to make a lot more money without having to put in a lot of effort. Before we get started, please consider subscribing with notifications turned on if you find this video to be helpful. It's free and you can always change your mind afterwards, so that you can be among the first to apply any new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. I will let you know as soon as I come up with them. Make the maximum money as a result, of course. Preview. Therefore, it's a recent website that will compensate you for watching YouTube videos. It's completely free to sign up. There is even an app. So you're not limited to just your smartphone for this. You only need to click view the video, and then collect your money. PayPal, bank transfers, and a few other payment methods are available for money withdrawal. Now, I feel like we all spend far too much time binge watching YouTube videos, which is the major reason I want to share this with you today. I don't know about you, but I personally enjoy myself on YouTube for hours every day. Of course, I frequently feel awful because I think I was wasting my time, and for that reason I went online and spent endless hours studying. I found some of the best platforms that we have never discussed before, and they pay you for simply viewing YouTube videos. Now that you will actually get paid for viewing humorous YouTube videos, you won't have to feel bad about spending hours every day doing so. However, if you enjoy earning money online, be sure to give this video a like before we begin. Scroll down below and hit the like button until it turns blue to see if we can get 100 likes for this one. Okay, so today we're going to use 3 different platforms that are completely free to generate money by simply viewing YouTube videos. Keep reading till the end, and I'll let you know which one pays the most money and which one I personally favor. You're going to adore these platforms about which we never spoke. The first one is this. The URL of this site is zeraclummy.com. You can either visit the Google Play Store and look for this app there before downloading it on your smartphone. Alternatively, if you're using a desktop as I am, just go to the website. You did hear correctly. Both a PC and a smartphone can access it. And with this service, you can actually get paid for accomplishing a variety of tasks that you would typically complete each day. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. As you can see, though, you may earn money online using a phone, computer, or tablet and receive payments wherever you are with no investment required. Everything is completely free. Additionally, they offer an app that you can download to your smartphone and use to start earning money right away. They will now go into a little more detail about their website's functionality on this page. But all you have to do is click on the registration icon over here after visiting the website or after installing the app. And clicking that will direct you to the website where you may register for a free new account by joining Google, Microsoft, or manually entering your email address and creating a password. Additionally, because this website is accessible from everywhere in the world, they will pay you regardless of your location. However, you must determine whether it functions in your nation or not. Ours is what it will look like once you register for a free account on our website. The dashboard is where you can monitor your profits and balance. You can view your earnings for the previous day, the day before that, the past week, and the past month. Of course, the final figure is the entire amount of money you earned through our website. You can select the Earn area over here by clicking on it on the left side of the screen, and clicking on that will take you to the page where you can choose how you want to get paid. You can get paid to watch movies, commercials, and explore websites. And it's a highly effective approach to generate income online. Because all it takes is one click of a button. You simply have to click Watch Video or View Ad, and it doesn't take much effort from your end. You don't have to put in many hours of work to complete tasks, like surveys or offers. Simply click, then move on to something else as your profits on this website increase. Timebucks.com is the name of the second website I wanted to share with you today. It's a really fantastic website since it will pay you for some really interesting things, like posting things on TikTok, watching amusing slideshows, playing games, installing apps, and other stuff. However, there is a way to get paid just for watching videos as well. Additionally, I adore that they offer daily bonuses. You will receive some totally free benefits if you log into your account every single day. And yes, you may begin working right away, so there's no need to wait around for several weeks to be approved into something. You may sign up right away and start earning money that you can use as you like. Therefore, go to timebucks.com and sign up there. You may also sign up using Facebook, which is much simpler and quicker because it only requires one click. Alternatively, you can do it by manually entering your email address and setting a password. Because this website is completely free, users from all over the world, including those from India and the Philippines, are utilizing it daily to make money. And it's incredibly simple. Quickrewards.net is the third and last website I wanted to share with you today. This one will also pay you for other things. Although it isn't as distinctive as the other two websites, it is still really pleasant and pays well enough that you can participate in many surveys, which I also don't advise. It takes a lot of time and work, and it is simply not worthwhile. You can play games because they are so simple. It's something we probably do every day after all. I'm not sure if you play video games every day, but I do. I merely play various games on my phone to relax from time to time. Moreover, I can now get compensated for doing that. Even if it won't be much money, a little bucks here and there to spend on enjoyable phone activities is always appreciated. Then, of course, you can view videos. That is what we came for and will be discussed in a moment. Then, if you shop online, you may participate in various deals and earn cash back, both of which are fantastic. They have now been online for quite some time, nearly 20 years to be exact. And because the minimum to redeem or withdraw is merely 1 penny, I really adore this service and highly recommend it. You heard correctly, it's only 1 penny. You don't need to hold off till you have a few $100s or anything else. However, as soon as you begin to make money, you can immediately cash out and remove your funds. PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards at close to 50 national retailers are all options for money withdrawal. However, if PayPal is not available in your country, don't panic. As you can see, you can buy some gift cards that you may use at some of these merchants. Of course, I assume that the majority of you will choose PayPal because you can then spend that money however you like. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.